The script, the morning myth versus my reality. The intro. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something we all see on social media, the perfect morning routine. You know, the ones waking up at 5 a.m., drinking green juice and doing yoga before the sun comes up. But be honest, is that actually real? Today I'm going to show you what my morning actually looks like. Let's go. The body. So the ideal version of me wants to meditate for 20 minutes. But the real version of me? I usually hit the snooze button at least 3 times. I've realized that English learners like me often feel a lot of pressure to be perfect. Whether it's our morning routine or our grammar, we try to get everything right on the first try. But lately I've learned that consistency is better than perfection. Instead of a 5 a.m. workout, I take 5 minutes to write down 3 things I'm grateful for. Today I'm grateful for this coffee, this camera, and the fact that you're watching this video. The conclusion. So that's my imperfect morning. It's not a movie, but it works for me. What about you? Are you a morning person? Or do you need 3 cups of coffee just to say hello? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to follow my English journey. See you in the next one. Tips for your recording. The rule of 3. When you see a bold word in the script, try saying it 3 different times with different emotions. Happy, serious, surprised. It helps with your tonal range. Watch your speed. It's tempting to speak fast when you're nervous. Take a deep breath. Pausing after a sentence makes you sound more authoritative and gives the audience time to process. The mirror trick. Before you hit record, say the intro section to yourself in the mirror. If you can make yourself smile, you're ready.